Hello you guys, how are you guys doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in our kitchen. You're welcome to Lolly's Cooking Channel. Wow. You're welcome. We've been doing cookie series, and today, who can guess what we're doing? Can you just put it down in the comment section? Okay, I'm giving you a minute. Okay, now let me tell you what we are all doing. We are going to be doing chocolate cookie for today. Chocolate cookie, and the recipe, it is sure. So come with me, let's do chocolate cookie together. God bless you. Our ingredients. So here I'm having all-purpose flour, 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have in here my chocolate powder, but unsalted, and I have for 180 gram unsalted chocolate cocoa powder, unsalted. And here I have my chocolate chips, and it's 180 gram also chocolate chips. I have here I have the white sugar and the brown sugar. The white sugar is 300 gram. The brown sugar also is 300 gram. I have my butter. My butter is 400 gram in room temperature. Make sure your butter is in room temperature, 400 gram. I have here my baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 4 medium large eggs, and I have 4 teaspoons of my vanilla. So let's do it together. What we're going to be doing first is make sure your butter goes in. The butter in. Pouring in our sugar, the brown sugar and the white sugar goes in. So we're going to be mixing in low until everything is well combined. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is the cocoa powder. Make sure everything is sifted. So I'm going to be sifting my cocoa powder too. Make sure it's well sifted in because of lumps. So I'm going to be using my whisk to get it off. So now I'm going to be adding in my soda. Baking powder. So dry ingredients goes in, and my salt. Everything goes through the sifter. So set this aside, and I'm going to mix everything together to give it a good mix. So is well mixed now. we're going to scrape. Make sure you scrape underneath and make sure there is no butter hiding somewhere that we can't get. Now we are going to go in with our vanilla. And we go in with our eggs. Be sure, if you're sure of your egg, you can break it in. If you're not sure, you break it in a bowl. So now we're going to whisk. It's ready. It's just 2 minutes. Whisk. Scrape all. Be sure nothing is sticky down. So now we're going to be adding our dry ingredients, and we'll be adding them. We're not adding everything at once, we add gradually. Make sure your mixer is on a low and mix. We add more in. Until you exhaust everything. Okay, this is the last. Goes in. Make sure everything is well scraped. So we are done. We're going to scrape and now add our chocolate. So I'm going to be adding in my chocolate chip. And I'm just going to mix it just for a minute. And that's it. We're ready. If you have the time, you can as well put it in your fridge overnight. So make sure your hands are washed, or your hands are washed. So my hands are washed. So now we're going to be molding. You don't want it. So you just paste. If you're selling, you can use your measuring to scale them up so that you have the same size. And it's good to have the same size because that will help you. That will help them to cook evenly. They are still going to spread out. So you give space. Give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. It's important, we need it. We need to grow this channel. We're 2 years already on the YouTube, but on Facebook we start posting. So let's grow this channel. To give us a thumbs up, and if you know you have something for us to do, if you're around our corner, we can do that. So we have enough space because it's going to spread out. So we're going to be baking right away, and we'll be baking for 150 degrees in 15 minutes. So let's get into it. Okay, taking it to the oven. So our cookies are ready. Let's have a taste of it first before we go into and see how it looks like. Look. Wow. Wow. So moist. Honestly speaking, so nice. You can follow my channel. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and please, you can also do this in your house and send me a pic of it. God bless you. Bye.